Ever struggled with messy cords while blending your favorite smoothies or sauces? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless stick blenders that make kitchen life effortless and fun. Stay tuned and don't forget to check the links in the description to. At number 5 is OVENTE Cordless. Imagine whipping up a creamy soup in seconds without wrestling cords or bulky appliances. Sounds almost too easy, right? That's exactly what the OVENTE Cordless brings to your kitchen. For anyone tired of juggling tangled cords or limited countertop space, this sleek stick blender feels like freedom in your hand. Its lightweight design lets you blend directly in bowls, pots, or pitchers, while the powerful motor handles everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. Compared with other top cordless options, it's quieter than most high-speed models yet doesn't sacrifice performance. The detachable blades make cleanup almost effortless, a huge relief after busy meals. The battery life is solid, though longer sessions may require a quick recharge, which is a small trade-off for total mobility. Whether you're a casual cook or a weekend chef, OVENTE Cordless transforms everyday prep into something surprisingly At number 4 is TUMIDY Immersion. Ever tried blending a thick soup only to end up with a messy countertop? That frustration vanishes with the TUMIDY Immersion. Its cordless design frees you from tangles and wall sockets, letting you move effortlessly from bowl to pot. With surprisingly powerful motor speeds, it crushes frozen fruits, whirls soups, and froths milk in seconds. Compared with others, like the TUMIDY Immersion balances strength and lightweight handling, making long blending sessions painless. The detachable stainless steel shaft cleans in a flash, a relief for anyone who dreads scrubbing. Sure, its battery might need a recharge for marathon cooking, but the quick charge feature keeps downtime minimal. For anyone juggling busy mornings or experimenting with recipes, it transforms kitchen chaos into fluid, effortless preparation. From smoothie mornings to dinner experiments, TUMIDY Immersion turns a simple task into a small victory every time, proving that blending can feel almost magical. On number 3 is KitchenAid Go. Imagine spilling soup on your counter because your blender cord couldn't reach the pot. Frustrating, right? That's where the KitchenAid Go cordless stick blender steps in. Lightweight yet surprisingly powerful, it slips effortlessly into your hand, turning everyday blending into a seamless experience. For busy kitchens, this is a game changer. No more hunting for outlets or tangling cords. Unlike traditional corded stick blenders, the KitchenAid Go offers freedom to move from counter to stovetop without pause. Its variable speed control gives precision whipping. Pureeing or crushing ice becomes satisfying instead of mess. The battery can run out during marathon cooking sessions, but a quick charge keeps you in action. Compared with others, KitchenAid Go feels more intuitive for spontaneous grab-and-go blending. From morning smoothies to late-night sauces, this blender transforms routine cooking into effortless joy. Once you try the KitchenAid Go, corded blenders feel like relics of the past. At number 2 is Cuisinart RHB100. Here's a fully review in the style you requested, focused on the top 5 best cordless stick blenders while naturally highlighting the Cuisinart RHB100. Imagine whipping up a creamy soup in under a minute without being tethered to a cord. Sounds like kitchen magic, right? For anyone tired of juggling plugs and dragging heavy appliances, a cordless stick blender is a game changer. The Cuisinart RHB100 stands out in this crowded market with its ergonomic grip and surprisingly quiet motor. Its rechargeable battery keeps you moving, letting you tackle everything from silky sauces to frozen smoothies. Compared with others, making long prep sessions less tiring. On the flip side, if you push it beyond thick mixtures, the battery drains faster, but a quick recharge solves that. Its detachable shaft is a lifesaver for cleaning. No more awkward scrubbing. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a casual cook, the Cuisinart RHB100 transforms everyday blending into effortless speed and precision. Now moving to the last one is Elite Gourmet RHB100. Ever tried making a creamy soup and ended up with chunks you didn't bargain for? That's where most cordless stick blenders fail. Enter the Elite Gourmet RHB100, a tool that feels like it was designed to rescue your kitchen chaos. Lightweight, whisper quiet, and effortlessly cordless, it transforms morning smoothies, soups, and sauces without the wrestling act most blenders demand. Unlike some bulkier options in the top 5 best cordless stick blender lineup, The RHB 1300 gives you control without compromise. Its detachable stainless steel shaft makes cleaning almost enjoyable, a rare but real relief. Sure, it isn't the most powerful model for crushing ice, but for everyday blending, it hits the sweet spot. Pair it with a compact, high-speed alternative, and you've got versatility in your hands. The moment you feel that smooth puree glide, frustration evaporates, and cooking becomes genuinely enjoyable. The Elite Gourmet RHB 1300 doesn't just blend ingredients, it blends ease and creativity. The winner among the 5 options you listed: OVENTE Cordless, TUMIDY Immersion, KitchenAid Go, Cuisinart RHB100 and Elite Gourmet EHB1300. The top pick is the Elite Gourmet EHB1300. Here's why you should buy that one: the Elite Gourmet EHB1300 cordless rechargeable blender/mixer strikes the best balance of power, portability and convenience. Its cordless design with up to 30 minutes battery life gives you freedom to work anywhere, and the variable speed and stainless steel blades ensure smooth results for smoothies, sauces, baby food, and more. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday kitchen tasks without hassle, outperforming simpler or less powerful models in versatility and ease of use. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best cordless stick blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.